Oh, got it. Got him. Got it. Oh, man. Oh, beautiful. Come on. Come on. So, what's the story here? Come on, let's see. Again. Again. All right, I got you. Finally. It's a little one. A little Pete. Ah, come here, baby. Stop this. Look at this beautiful fish. Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's a long awaited and finally it's happening. Beautiful morning. Should be cloudy, but look at this. Looks like a blue sky already coming up. But it's about 76. Surprising for this time of the year. Ooh, there's fish all over the place. Or an alligator. One of those two. Look at this. The day started off with a lot of hope. A cool, foggy morning that I thought would be perfect for a bite. I was targeting largemouth bass, but after a few hours on the water, it was clear that nothing was going to happen. It was just a waste of a perfect morning. I couldn't end the day like that, so I moved to a different location to go for some peacock bass. I've been seeing this lure all over the social media, and people were saying it's an absolute game changer. I figured this was the perfect opportunity to see if it lived up to the hype. The guys on the other side of the spillway were crashing them, so at least I knew the peacocks were active. After about 30 minutes working this lure, I've tried different retrieves, but the peacocks were just not interested. They were actively shying away from it. After all that hype, it was just not happening for me. So I switched to something that has worked for me before. Oh. Well, first peacock. And again, a little square bill.
Hit. Come on. No. Come on. I can see them hitting it through the wall. So, what's the story here? Come on, let's see. Again. Again. Alright, I got you. Finally. It's a little one. A little pea. Ah, come here, baby. Ah, do not trash. It's right next to your eye, so you boy better be. Nice colors. Look at this. A young pea. Definitely has been caught before. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's see if we can get some more. I kind of get a clue. They want it fast. They're attacking it when it's flying fast through the water. Yep, I got another hit and another pea. There you go. Oh, this is a little better. Alright. Another baby boy. But this one is much better. Look at this. Nice. Beautiful fish. Okay. Hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna say, why can't I grab them like a normal bass? Oh, because of the treble hooks. I've been hooked before, especially with the peacocks, because they're trashing so much. Yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. Alright, let's see if there's anybody else.
And then in no time, this place became crowded. One car came in with 4 people in it, and then another car came in with a family and kids, and I decided to move on.
No more takers? What about this side? There's so many bees, and I can see them. They're in the rocks right next to me, but they just shy away. I gotta change the color maybe. Oh, there's a big one. Let's see if I can get some interest. Oh, strikes. Alright. Come on, boy. Let's do it. right there, looking at it. He gonna strike? He gonna leave me dry? Nope. Hit and miss. Oh, got it. Got him. Got it. Oh, man. Oh, beautiful. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Across the lips. Beautiful pea. Look at this beautiful fish. Nice. Okay, let me go. Well, mission accomplished. Whew. It only took me a few minutes.
And that's how you save a day on the water. From a complete bust to a first cast bite. All thanks to a lure I can always count on. If you want to see more fishing trips like this, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.